Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we want to release a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for you. So sit down more comfortably and let's start. Screensaver. Screen 6. 8W QHD Edge Screen 120Hz Adaptive Refresh Rate. Battery 5000 mAh 45W charging. Wireless charging 215W. Wireless power share. Storage 8GB RAM. 128GB storage 12GB RAM. Camera. Rear camera 108 megapixels wide. Front camera 40 megapixels. Capture the night with crystal clear, bright pics and videos. The price $1,299. If you want to know about similar models, subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.